Good day, students. Welcome to Mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at the exterior angle theorem and how we can use it to solve problems involving the exterior angle of triangles. All right, so let's start off by taking a look at what the exterior angle theorem is. Let's write this down, the exterior angle theorem. What the exterior angle theorem says basically is that the exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. All right, this is as a result of the triangle angle sum theorem that we went over in the previous tutorial. All right, so let's go ahead and give you a visual representation of this theorem. So let's say let's say this is a triangle, and then we're going to create an exterior angle here. All right, so you have triangle ABC with exterior point D. All right, so this right here, this is the exterior angle. This one is the exterior angle. So what basically the theorem is telling us is that if you add these two interior angles, A and B, it's going to be equal to this exterior opposite angle right here. So the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle ACD. Okay, so just note that these two right here are considered the interior opposite angles. And this guy right here, measure of angle ACD, this is the exterior angle. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at two examples. All right, so for these two examples that we are going to be taking a look at, the task is for us to solve for x. Okay, so let's write that down. Solve for x. So let's say we have triangle ABC here with exterior point D. And let's say the exterior angle is the expression 11x plus 8 plus 18. And then this is 86. And this is angle A is 6x minus 8. All right, so for this one, we're going to go ahead and relate the angles with each other using the exterior angle theorem first. So we have the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B. That's the interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle, measure of angle ACD. Okay, so let's go ahead and just specify it again one more time to refresh your memory. So these are the interior angles, interior opposite angles. And this guy right here, when you extend the side, that angle that's created is known as your exterior angle. All right, so interior angle, exterior angle. Now, let's go ahead and substitute the value of the known and unknowns. So measure of angle A is the expression 6x minus 8. Measure of angle B is 86. And the measure of angle ACD is 11x plus 18. So let's go ahead and combine like terms on the left side of our equation. So we're just going to simply subtract 8 from 86, bring down 6x plus, and then 86 minus 8 is 78. All right, that is equal to 11x plus 18. So now we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So all we do is move the x's to the right side, so moving it to the bigger x variable coefficient, and then move the numbers to the left. Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract 6x from both sides. That will move the variables to the right, and then a constant terms to the left by subtracting 18 from both sides of the equation. All right, If we do that, we're going to get on the right side, the left side, the 6x's add up to 0. And then 18 minus 18 is 0. So 78 plus 18 is 78 minus 18 is 60. And then 11x minus 6x is 5x. To get x by itself, we just simply divide both sides by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. And then we have x equals 12. Okay, so that goes the answer to question number 1. Okay, don't forget, if you have any questions, just specify it in the comment section below, and we'll be more than glad to assist you. Okay, so let's take a look at question number 2. So for question 2, the instructions are the same. We're going to be solving for x. So let's say that we have angle PQR with exterior angle S, exterior point S, and then this is 2x plus 17. Okay, and this is 54 degrees, and then this angle right here measures 9x minus 6. All right, so let's go ahead and solve for x here. So to do this, let's go ahead and relate the angle measures using the exterior angle theorem. Again, so the interior opposite angles, measure of angle P plus the measure of angle Q is equal to the exterior angle, which is the measure of angle QRS. All right, so this is the interior angle, P and Q are the interior angles. And then measure of angle QRS is the exterior angle. Okay, so now let's go ahead and substitute the value of the angles. So measure of angle P is 2x plus 17 plus measure of angle Q is 54. And that is equal to measure of angle QRS, which is 9x minus 6 minus 6. Okay, so let's combine like terms. On the left side, we're going to be combining 17 and 54. So we have 2x plus, so if you combine 17 plus 54, you have 71 equals 9x minus 6. All right, now we're going to move all the terms of the x's to the right, and then the terms of the constants to the left side, okay? So let's go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. That'll move the smaller variable with a smaller coefficient to the right, and then we're going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides. That will move the constants to the left side. Okay, so let's combine both sides. If we combine both sides of the equation, we have 77 equals 7x. All right, this adds up to 0, and this adds up to 0 also. To finish it off, we just simply divide both sides by 7. And then we get our final answer, x is equal to 11. All right, so that's basically how you use the exterior angle theorem.